How to can't follow on TikTok fix, or why can't I follow anyone on TikTok? So here are ways to fix this issue. Check if TikTok's server is down. So you can do this by opening any browsing application that you have. Use the search bar and search for Down Detector. Tap the first result that will appear and it will direct you to this page. Now if you see TikTok in this list, it means that its servers are down. So unfortunately, there's nothing that you can do if TikTok servers are down. But if TikTok servers are up and is running, what you can do is to proceed to the next solution, which is to restart the TikTok application. You can do this by swiping upwards from the bottom of your display to access the app switcher. Then flick the application upwards to remove it from the list and stop it from running. Once done, go back to your home screen and relaunch TikTok. And hopefully this fixes your issue. Next is to check your network connection. So open any browsing application. Then using the search bar, type in fast.com. Select the first result that will appear, and it will lead you to this page. So if your network is the problem, unplug your router from the outlet and wait for at least 5 seconds before plugging it back to reset your connection. Or if you're using data, turn off your data and wait for 5 seconds before turning it back on. And then open TikTok and check if the issue has been resolved. Next is to clear TikTok's app cache. So you can do this by opening TikTok. Then tap the profile icon located on the lower right corner. Now tap the 3 horizontal lines found on the upper right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find this section, Cache and Cellular. Now select Free Up Space. Now tap the Clear button beside Cache. Tap Clear to confirm. Now once done, restart the TikTok application and see if you can now follow users and pages on TikTok. Next is to update the TikTok application. So to do this, just head over to Play Store or App Store. Using the search bar, search for TikTok. So if there's an update button available, tap that button so that the updates will be installed. So after updating, try to follow a user or page to check if the problem is resolved. And so those are the methods on how to fix can't follow on TikTok. Thank you and have a great day.